Day 25. Feeling that in my knees already. That's not good. Oh, fuck. My feet are cramping so badly. Oh, dirty shit. Doing kneeling push-ups because I have I can't say I have. There's a strong lack of upper body strength right now, so fuck. Despite those being absolute bullshit push-ups, I'm actually still feeling it, which is so shit. Fuck. I wonder how many years it took me to get to this level of, I don't think I can call it unfitness, just this level of uselessness. I can barely do anything functional right now. And that's just neglect over time. Fuck that. I'm not gonna let this go on. Oh, sweating has already started. Cold water is fantastic when you're suffering. Fuck. My right elbow. It's been hurting for a couple of weeks. Oh, fuck. I can't. It was down now already. Oy. Right. One sit down. Felt it a lot less in my shoulders this time around. I don't know if the form was better or worse. Oh, fuck yes. Okay. Fuck. Okay. Oh. Jeez, I'm feeling fucked up. It's only two. I don't know. And then I'm halfway through this routine. Fucking halfway. I can sweat running down, but barely. I don't even know what my back looks like. Fuck. Oh. fuck yes. Okay. 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 Sweat running down fucking everywhere. Oh, fuck. Different when it's loaded. Oh, that's, uh, one. Oh, that's lacking the energy to get up. I was gonna lay a full bit. Oh, fuck. Two. Oh, good God, that's so bad. Oh, I am lump everywhere. Ah, ah, yeah. Ah, ah, fuck. Oh, shit, that hurts. Ah, fuck. Yeah. Ah, oh, fuck, it hurts so much. Oh. I think it was bad fun. I just need to finish now because I'm fucking dying. Okay, 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 okay. Fuck it. Ah.